Xin chào everyone. That means hello in Vietnamese. Can you believe it? It's the last day of College Week 2020. What a busy week it has been, right? My name is Nguyen, and I'm a program manager at Silicon Valley Education Foundation. Born and raised in Vietnam, I came to California to attend San Jose State University when I was only 17 years old. Guess what? I didn't graduate there. Instead, I transferred to University of California, Davis, and then graduated with a Bachelor in Economics and Asian American Studies. Like many other superheroes you've heard from this week, my college journey was not in a straight line. Along the way, I learned to trust myself and stay true to my passion in lifting others. The choices I've made led me to where I am today, here, speaking to you about how important it is to know what path you can take to write your own superhero story. As many heroes experience challenges and obstacles in their lives, there's one common thread that they all share. They never give up. To conclude the last day of College Week 2020, I challenge you to find your true passion and power in yourself. Research the college and career options that you vision and share it with your loved ones. On behalf of College Week 2020 team, we believe in your superpower to determine your future. So, unleash it and embrace it. I hope that you will enjoy the rest of College Week today and stay healthy and be happy. Bye!